children, today let's start with chapter number 20, that is the growth market. So let's study about the market. Market is a place where buyers and sellers meet or exchange all types of goods and services, right? And the goods and services that we are producer are called producer. और जो उनको क्या कर रहा है, use कर रहा है, वो कौन होता है? Consumer, right? So the people who act as an intermediary between producer and consumer are traders. Though traders are good and supplied to the market. So we have kinds of market, retail market and wholesale market. Retail market क्या होता है? When retailers sell products to consumer for their personal use. ठीक है? We buy goods either from manufacturer or from wholesale. He sell different kinds of goods to the people. He act as a middleman. ये एक middleman की तरह काम करता है between wholesaler and customer. Right? Time extend credit facilities of the customers. In case of television, washing machine, other such items in cities, towns, retailers engage salesperson to assist customers in buying. Right? Now function of retailers. पहली बात अगर हम बात करें तो इट इज अ कैटर ऑफ द डिमांड. ये कैटर करता है टू द डिमांड ऑफ कस्टमर. मतलब प्रोडक्ट के प्रेजेंटेशन उसको अच्छे से पैक करता है, राइट? फिर लोकेशन ऑफ द शॉप्स कि भाई वहाँ लोकेट करता है जहाँ पे बड़े बड़े बिजनेसमैन सक्सेस हो सके और वो लोग जो कर सके क्राउडेड जगह पे ज़्यादा लगता है कि ज़्यादा लोग एक्सेस कर सके. टाइप ऑफ रिटेलर मतलब वो बेच सके डिफरेंट. वेंडर्स मीन्स मोबाइल ट्रेडर्स होते हैं जिनके फिक्स प्लेस नहीं होती, वो अपने गुड्स को बेचने के लिए एक प्लेस से दूसरी प्लेस जाते हैं, राइट? देन हॉकर दैट डज नॉट हैव टू पे रेंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल. हॉकर स्टोर्स गुड्स एट होम व्हाइल शॉप ओनर हैज टू कीप इन अ सेपरेट स्टोर, राइट? हॉकर सेल करता है गुड्स एट चीपर रेट, मेरे शॉप के ऊपर ज्यादा करते हैं, अपने शॉप का भी तो पैसा निकालना. नाउ वीकली मार्केट, इट इज अ स्पेसिफिक डे ऑफ अ वीक. जैसे मंगल बाजार, बुध बाजार, Somhat. Generally, local people come here for the everyday requirement. Now we have departmental store, which is divided into several sections, where we sell different types of goods. It caters large number of shopkeepers who good as well as देखो ऐसे ये departmental store है, आपको हर चीज यहाँ पे available होगी according to the different categories, right? Shopping complex means the market in the urban area that has many shops and that is popularly called shopping complex. So shops in the shopping complex mall sells both branded, where branded with sell करता है non-branded. So if the malls house of number of big showrooms, the branded goods are often priced much higher than non-branded, right? So we have chain store. These are the store. ऐसे होता है chain stores है Reebok का, Adidas का, right? It is type under a common ownership and centralized management. ये आपके various location पे क्या होते हैं अवेलेबल होते हैं. दे सेल द सेम रेंज ऑफ प्रोडक्ट एट सेम टाउन सेंटर. भाई वो सेम कंडीशन होते हैं, ऐसा नहीं कि यहाँ पे रिबॉक है तो दूसरे के सस्ता वाले हो, नहीं, सेम टाउन्स होते हैं, राइट? देन वी हैव होलसेलर हु बाइज थिंग्स इन बल्क एंड डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द मैन्युफैक्चरर, वो रिटेलर को बेचता है, और इंडस्ट्रियल कमर्शियल और इंडस्ट्रियल यूजर्स, राइट? होलसेलर ऑल्सो ऑफर्स आर अदर सर्विसेज. होलसेलर का मेन फंक्शन क्या होता है? बाइंग, storing and supplying goods. These extended credit facilities to the retailers and undertake activities, right? Our wholesaler also bears a risk of loss due to spoilage or damage of goods. Main features क्या होता है wholesale market का? They usually deals in a one product or only few different products. Wholesaler market is usually a big town or city where buyers and sellers from different places gather. Price of the goods in wholesale markets are lower than retail market because wholesaler are only little profit. बहुत कम profit ये क्या करते हैं? earn करते. Role of intermediaries, इनको हम दलाल्स कहते हैं, negotiate bargainer होते हैं. The wholesale the interest of the forward and the wholesaler enjoy the benefits of bargaining. Most of the time payments are delayed to the farmers after they pay all these intermediaries for the service rendered. They have little help. How do we select our market? कंज्यूमर सेलेक्ट मार्केट डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द सेवरल फैक्टर्स. हमारे पास अलग अलग फैक्टर्स हैं. एवरी कंज्यूमर वांट टू परचेज अ गुड एट लोअर प्राइस. दैट रश टू द मार्केट जहाँ पे जो गुड्स के प्राइस है वो चीपर होते हैं. एवरी स्मॉल नेबरहुड ग्रोसरी स्टोर्स, जिसे हम किराना स्टोर कहते हैं, ये एडवांस क्रेडिट देते हैं टू देयर इरेगुलर कस्टमर. पीपल यूजुअली प्रेफर टू गो टू विच एवर मार्केट दैट इज मोस्ट कन्वीनियंट. ठीक है, मतलब भाई डिस्टेंस में पास हो और उसके उनके क्या हो, कन्वीनियंट हो. And this choice also depends upon the income level of the consumer, right? So more efficient people may not consult with the price when making their choice of the market as the poorer section of the society. The cloth market of the town. So some towns, if we talk about, are famous for cloth, woven, handlooms and power. One such example that arose in Tamil Nadu, traders from many South Indian towns came to purchase clothes. Right? They give to yarn weaver and receive woven clothes after few days. Arrangement between the merchants and the weaver are the example of putting out this system. So we can say that weaver do not spend their money. What they do, प्रॉब्लम इज सेलिंग फर्निश्ड क्लोथ इज टेकन केयर, बट मर्चेंट्स क्या करते हैं, बहुत कम प्राइस पे उनको बेचते हैं. एंड वीवर्स बोरो मनी टू इन्वेस्ट इन ऑल देयर सेविंग एंड द वीवर्स एंड देयर फैमिली स्पेंड लॉन्ग आवर्स वर्किंग ऑन पावर लूम. मोस्ट वीविंग यूनिट्स हैव टू वर्क more power loom. Now cotton farmers and local cotton traders. So cotton is grown in Maharashtra, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh and other states of India. Most farmers own small pieces of land, they are poor. Cultivation of cotton requires high level of input. भाई अच्छा सीड चाहिए, अच्छा फर्टिलाइजर चाहिए, अच्छा पेस्टिसाइड्स चाहिए. उसके लिए उन्हें क्या करना पड़ता था, बोरो करना पड़ता था लोकल बोरोअर से, राइट. And what happened after the harvest? The farmer carry cotton to the trader who gave them less to the town market. भाई जितना होना चाहिए उससे कम पैसों में उनसे खरीदेगी. So the farmer cannot argue regarding this because they depend upon the trader for loans in case of illness. So overall जो income है farmer की वो कितनी है? About they would have worked as a. Now cotton market to yarn market. So village traders sell cotton to the cotton town market from the ginning mills. Spinning mills buy bales and spin the cotton into yarn. It sells yarn to yarn deals. Then we have garment exporting factories. Many garment factories in big cities, they purchase clothes to the merchants. And what they do? They woven by the small power loom units, terracotta cloth. The garments stitched from cotton and terracotta, and they are in great demand in India. Then we have weaver cooperatives in way to earn higher income, weaver and less dependency on the merchant. They purchase yarn. यो yarn को purchase करते थे from yarn dealer and distribute it among the weavers. So cooperative also aim for the sale of the clothes and role of the merchants is reduced here. So we can say that the Tamil Nadu government purchased clothes under a free school uniform program in the state from the power loom weavers cooperatives. So many big traders set up a garment export factory in Delhi or nearby because of the big profit. So their demand is lowest price from the suppliers and they get maximum work out of worker as the lowest possible. Many women are employed as helper, जैसे आपको thread cutting, buttoning, ironing and packaging. Now shirt in the United States. There are number of shirts not displayed at large clothes. If the cost of the cloth and another raw material along with the workers' wages is running, that is ₹100 per piece. Garment exporters sell it to the foreign buyer at 200 per piece. So 100% profit हो गया. अगर foreign buyer उसे spend करा 100 per piece on the storage display, another charges it comes about 300 per piece. तो ये spend करता है. भाई advertising में भी हम spend कर रहे हैं तो 600 रुपए हमें per piece पड़ता है. Right? Market and equality. There is a chain of people which are provided opportunity to earn by market. And they are cotton producer, local traders हो गए, आपके weavers हो गए, exporter हो गए. And you can see that the cotton producer and weavers toil, they are hard but even earn little. पैसा बहुत कम कमा पाते हैं और जो फॉरेनर बिजनेस पर्सन होते हैं वो ह्यूज प्रॉफिट कमाते हैं मार्केट से एज कम्पेयर टू द गारमेंट एक्सपोर्टर ऑफ इंडिया. द मर्चेंट्स और ट्रेडर्स व्हाट दे डू, दे अर्न मोर देन द वीवर्स बट स्टिल मच लेस देन द एक्सपोर्टर. इन if families does not earn enough, they would think that themselves as an equal brother. Democracy is all about getting fair wages in market, but it is usually the rich and the powerful to get the maximum earning in the market. And factories and large shops, large land holdings, the poor have to depend upon the rich and powerful elites. So forming cooperatives of producer and however can give little relief to the poor even in democracy, but it can ensure laws are followed strictly. क्योंकि laws है आपको उनको strictly follow करना पड़े, right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now let's move to the tick the correct option. Village traders sell the cotton at shops, factory, supermarket या town cotton market. कहाँ? Town के cotton market. A loom of weaving clothes is operated by power hand loom या power loom, both of these. Weavers borrow money at dash rate, high rate. A person who sells good to foreign buyer. Explorer, farmer, weaver. तो कौन होता है वो? दैट इज योर नन ऑफ दीज. उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Vendors are dash trader. They are mobile trader. They move from one place to another. Now fill in the blanks. Only dash and dash gains the most in the chain of market. That is traders and the garment exporters pay dash to the worker in their factory. What they pay? The merchants pay a dash price for making cloth, low price. Often small farmers dash money from the local traders. वो क्या करते हैं? Borrow करते हैं. Dash are the group of people who connect producer with the consumer. What we call them? Vendors. Now, T for true and F for false. Credit card can be used in virtual markets. It's true. Wholesaler do not sell directly to the consumer. It's true. People prefer market in close vicinity area. It's true. In large city, we find shopping malls. True. Consumer satisfaction is very important. True. Now answer the following question. From the cotton producer to foreign business person, who wants the most? Foreign business person, right? What work women do mostly in the garment factories? Buttoning करती हैं, ठीक है, इसकी स्टिचिंग करती हैं. The market gives people opportunity to work. आपको कंपेयर करना है कॉटन प्रोड्यूसर, लोकल ट्रेडर, टाउन ट्रेडर्स, फैक्ट्री वर्कर्स और गारमेंट्स एक्सको. Compare the condition of cotton producer, weavers and worker. What is condition of weaver working in putting out system, and what is putting out system, and why do cotton farmers have to borrow money? आपको दो reason बता, right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.